In this tutorial, we will learn how to create customer advance. Firstly, click the Sales menu in the sidebar to open your sales transactions. After that, click Customer Advance to manage customer advance records and tracking. Then, click New Advance to create a customer advance entry. In Customer and Amount, choose the customer, amount, payment date, and exchange rate if needed. Under Tax and GST, set TDS and GST treatment. Next, in Receipt Details, choose Receipt Method and Bank Account. Select the Customer Advance account and set Schedule Type. In Reference and Notes, add reference, sales order reference if it applies, confirm GL if your process requires it, and a clear description for traceability. When you're ready, click Post Advance to submit and record the customer advance. Now, click the eye icon to view detailed information about the advance record. Here you can review the customer advance details, including bank information and account classification. Now click Allocate to open Add New Allocation and allocate this advance to recurring invoices, custom invoices, or milestones. On Add New Allocation, select the Recurring tab to line up this advance with recurring invoices. In Choose Recurring Invoices, use the checkboxes to pick which templates are part of this allocation. Switch to Milestone when you're not picking invoices, yet you're splitting the advance into named milestones with amounts and dates instead. Next, enter name, amount, and date for each milestone, or click Add New Milestone to add another line. Select Custom to allocate against one-time or regular invoices that are not from a recurring template. Now select the checkboxes for each invoice you want this advance to cover. To finish, click Save. Whether you allocated with recurring, milestone, or custom invoices, this is the same final step. Here we used custom. Recurring and milestone end the same way. Your customer advance allocation is now active. You will see updated applied and unapplied amounts on the register.